would have. So this has already been pruned on the bottom. Now the question is, how do you train it to have a single, upright, what this is going to become the scion? But then how do you start to train the cordons later on? So Pedro?
You use the wire for the cordon. You need to cut.
So this is irrigation wire. This is cordon wire. See that? He just cut it. Now, here's what he did. When he cuts this, you go from what's called apical growth, vertical growth, to lateral growth. You're changing the hormones of the plant to now want to send out some lateral shoots. So go ahead, Pedro.
Okay. After when you cut it, I like to. That way I don't like this kind of cone. Everything out. You remember, you leave only one. You need to clean everything by the leaf. This is good. Even this nut, this nut, this nut.
So all you're leaving is the leaf so it can photosynthesize this year. And of course it has a bud for next year.
Everything, you cut everything. You leave only leaf, the leaf, only those. Okay. After this, then how easy you see how far it is? You need to put it close.
So this is the pencil rod. Two options of pencil rods. One are the steel. The steels are stronger, especially if you're doing mechanical cultivation. If you're doing it by hand, bamboo actually works fine.
Yeah. That way, okay. Then we start to tie.
So he's using 1/2-inch medium tape. A lot of places will try and sell you 1-inch heavy tape. It's way too heavy. As the plant grows, it'll constrict it. This will stretch. And it's not going to constrict the plant. So it's 1/2-inch medium, and it's tie tape. Don't use zip ties. Don't use anything but.
No, use wire because somebody used wire.
Yeah, we had some guy use wire. We won't mention who that is.
Yeah. Always you need to tie the last one. It's a little cordon. Yep. By the little back.
So next year, this
year.
Well, it's gonna be, so it'll shoot out, yeah. But what I mean is this will create a shoot. That next year will form a cordon.
Okay, like this. Normal is 3 to 5 tight, depends how it's coming the little branch. Okay.
Here's the other reason we don't like these. Plastic, you can open up and put back on. Here, you have to slide. When you're sliding down, you're potentially going to damage those leaves. You have to be really careful. Okay, luckily this is a pretty hardy plant. It has sufficient calcium. These are the standard clips that we don't actually use a lot. This is why that clips around here like that. So this holds it in place. The other option is you can just take some of the tape and wrap the tape around it. Yeah, it's easy. Here, one thing I want to show them about this tape. It stretches a lot. So as the plant is growing, it's not going to inhibit the plant. Also, the reason why you use medium and you use the 1/2-inch is even if this is left for 2 years, in the second year it'll get brittle and naturally snap. It's more work, but it's the right way to do it. You don't want, people use the heavy because it'll last sometimes 3-4 years and you save yourself one. It's not worth it. It's another one of those labor saving things that just isn't worth it. So if you are hiring a contract company, tell them I would rather you use smaller tape and I will pay you to go out there every year and retie. So using the right materials.
The other step is because when you in 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, this is coming. Okay, then it's ready to tie the cordon in 3 weeks.
So you're going to get one out of here, this way.
Yes,
One out of here, this way. There's your sort of your perfect cordon. And then this becomes the scion.
Then everything is coming here, you cut everything. When it's coming again, this little branch is coming.
Would you do that this summer or wait till next year?
This summer. I think in 3 weeks it's ready to start to tie everything.
Because as this makes shoots, it'll make new leaf, new leaf, new leaf.
Maybe in 3 weeks we come in again to show them.
Okay. visit. All right. Well, thank you, everyone. Good luck with your pruning. Make sure you wear a nice hat.
Yeah, nice hat.
Yeah, the bandana. Oh, we're supposed to be doing this, aren't we? Yeah.
So close.
It's okay. It's windy. It's hot. It's cold.
All right.
All right. Thank you, everyone.